taking into account the condition of the peninsula where the majority of the land is sandy desert, with very limited rainfall, in the range of 30 mm per year to a maximum of 500 mm per year. The supply of fresh water must be very limited. A lot of water is only in coastal areas, but it is seawater. So what plant from Indonesia can grow in these extreme areas? The first is to pay attention to the soil structure. From the structure of soil triangle, sand, silt and clay, the soil structure in the peninsula is more inclined to the lower left or sandy. It can also be sandy loam, sandy clay loam or loam. So what trees are most suitable from Indonesia for reforestation, providing maximum shade but are also productive at the particular soil and climatic conditions? Our choice is the Tamanu tree or Calophyllum inifolium. It is a shade plant as well as high productivity to produce vegetable oil as a base material for biofuels and bioindustry in general. Biofuel production can reach 5 tons per year per hectare. Tamanu is one of the native plants of his archipelago that is best tolerant to limited water conditions. However, it could be that the existing conditions of the desert land in the peninsula cannot be directly planted with Tamanu though. So this is where technology plays a role, one of which is nanoclay technology. The principle is that only 2 ingredients, namely clay and water, are homogenized to achieve homogenized dispersion of clay flakes, each of which has a diameter of 25 nanometers to 2 micro, with a thickness of between 1 and 10 nanometers. These nano-sized clay flakes will easily cover every grain of sand or soil in their path. Once sand or soil grains have been wrapped in nanoclay flakes, it will be able to absorb and store water, store nutrients, bind sand or soil so that they no longer fly when blown by the wind. It was then that the land that was originally an arid desert turned into relatively fertile land, so that plants like Tamanu could grow and thrive.